Welcome back. In this video, let us understand message queues. Let us begin with an example. Imagine a homeowner with a long list of tasks. Prepare food, take out the trash, clean the house, and wash the dishes. Now, these tasks have to be completed before the homeowner leaves for work. He also has a helper or a maid to assist with these tasks. Scenario 1. Doing one task at a time. Now, in this first scenario, the homeowner gives tasks to the maid one by one. The homeowner waits for each task to be completed before assigning the next one. This method is inefficient because it wastes time. The homeowner has to wait for each task to be finished before moving on, delaying his departure for work. Scenario 2. Use a checklist. In the second scenario, the homeowner writes down all the tasks on a checklist and then leaves for work. The maid picks these tasks from the checklist and completes them one by one independently. This is much more efficient because the homeowner can leave for work on time while the maid continues to work through the task at her own pace. How this relates to message queues? A message queue works just like the checklist in the second scenario. The homeowner is like the producer who adds tasks, also called as messages. He adds these messages to the queue, which is similar to the checklist, and then ultimately the maid, who is like the consumer, processes these tasks from the queue one by one. Benefits of message queues. Efficiency. The homeowner saves time and can focus on other tasks without waiting for each one to be processed. Second, good management. The checklist ensures that no tasks are forgotten or lost. If the maid takes a break or steps out, the task will still be there when she returns, and she can pick up right where she left off. Third, reliability. This ensures all the tasks will be completed by the end of the day, even if the maid takes a break. What are some drawbacks of message queues? Overcomplicating simple tasks. For quick tasks like perhaps turning on a light switch or adding sugar to coffee, writing them down on a checklist is unnecessary and slows things down. Second, delaying for urgent tasks. For urgent tasks like turning off a burning stove, writing them down and waiting for the maid to see them would be way too slow. Some tasks need immediate action.